I learn A, B, C, A to Z. Small letter A. A is for apple. B. B is for butterfly. Small letter C. C is for cake. D. D is for dolphin. E. E is for egg. You see small letter F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. Small letter I. I is for insect. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kite. You see small letter L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. Small letter O. O is for orange. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for unicorn. You see small letter V. V is for vase. W. W is for water. Small letter X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. And last small letter Z. Z is for zebra. Let's repeat learn. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.